Welcome. This short tutorial will be showing you how to link pages here in Showit. Alright, it's actually pretty easy. First up, you would need to select an element. Alright, it could be a text, button, an image that you could use to link one of your pages. Okay, you could go ahead and add in multiple elements to each of your pages. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and add in one just for you to see. Add element right here. It could be a text again, image, or it could be an icon. Okay, just to make it interesting, I'm going to use icon like so. Swap icon. Maybe I'm going to choose I do have Instagram in here. I'm going to choose Instagram if we have that icon. Okay, there you go. I'm going to click on it and then change the color, maybe this one, and then just place it wherever you want. Okay, maybe right here at the top or the center. Okay, once that's done, all you need to do is just go ahead over to click actions, and while the element is selected, make sure that the type is set to page. Okay, once done, under page, select the page where you wanted this element to be redirected. Okay, so for example, this is Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and choose Instagram. Okay, and if you want to as well, you could go ahead and choose open in a window so that this specific window right here would not close. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and set up to open a new window and then hit on preview. There you go. I'm going to click on this link, and if you want to as well, you could go ahead and change the hover effects in here. So click on it, and here we have the Instagram page from Showit. Okay, so hover effects right here, type custom, maybe color, change it to red like that. Opacity, maybe change it to 50. Time, maybe 1 second. Okay, preview right there. Okay, click Instagram page. That is it. Again, you could do this however you want it to be, or as many as you like. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.